September. You know what that means.
Hey, we're going on a Jeep excursion today. We're gonna have some fun.
Hey, this is Rob from Stones in Rexburg. We're on our annual Jeep excursion. We've got a ton of Jeeps today. It's been raining the last week, and we are excited to see if we can find some mud. Yeah. See if we can see some beautiful scenery. We have some new faces this year.
Every time he goes over the big rocks, I can't stop laughing.
It's just a fun day at Sheep Falls. The roads are washed out pretty good, but thank goodness these Jeeps can handle that. They crawled right up through it.
It was awesome. We should go every year.
So fun. And fun to go in a group and just be there and follow
Watching everybody else's experience and being able to do things maybe outside comfort zone because you know other people are with you.